Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed how to create a model. What is a model? Simply, a model is a table in the database. So, we created the model first app with two fields. What are the two fields? F name and L name. After creation of the model, I perform some operations. Insert record into the table, delete record from the table, and update the record. So these are the things that happened in the last session. Now, in this session, I am moving into update model. That means already a model is created. After completion of the creation, if you want to add some more fields, that is updating model. If you want to add some more fields, for example, I already created the model with these two fields. Now I am trying to add these fields. What is the procedure? The procedure is very simple. Understand carefully. First, open the models.py file. Where it is present? It is present in the first app. Okay, go to models.py file. This is the models.py. Observe the path. In first project, first app, the file is available. Simply, whatever the fields you require, you type the fields. Whatever the fields you require, you type the fields. Suppose I require two fields. Phone is equal to models dot integer field of and one more thing, some date is equal to models dot date field of. Right now I added two columns, that is two fields. One field is integer field, second one is date field. Okay, clear. Now, is the model is updated? No, you know already the model is not at all updated. After performing some make migration operation, then only the model is updated. Then how? Go to the command prompt. So I already closed the command prompt. So that is the reason. Again, you have to start from the beginning. What is beginning? Open and activate the virtual environment. Virtual environment. My virtual environment name is Nagaraju. Okay. Same procedure. Every time you have to follow same procedure. Sorry, spelling mistake. CD space scripts. Now activate dot bat. We are activating the scripts. Now move to first project. Move to first project. Okay. After this, you need to perform two steps. What is the first one? Perform make migrations. Whenever you are performing make migrations, then it is ready to update. This is the command. Python manage.py make migrations. What is this? See this point. This is a change in the model structure, and therefore we have to make a migration to tell Django that it has to update the database. Now you got the point. Python manage.py make migrations first app. Now you observe this one. Here within this one, I am not passing any value. What happens? Try to press enter. Here, whenever I press enter, it gives some information. What is the information? It is impossible to add a non-nullable field date to the first app without specifying default. That means at the time of field creation, I am not specifying any default value, and it is not possible to add non-nullable. Then they select two options. Provide a default value, or else you can quit manually define the default value in models.wi-fi. You can select any of this. First, I will select option 2. Then what to do? You have to move to models.py. There update the default value. Now go to models.py. Here I am updating the models value. Null is equal to true. Here also null is equal to true. If you are writing first time, no need of this explanation. If you are writing the first time, this statement executed automatically. So no need to select the option. Okay. After completion of this one, now what is the step? Again, you need to run the statement. Yes or no? Whenever you done any modifications, perform that one. Now was first app dot rename to first app dot date. Observe the question. They are asking simply Python manage dot py make migrations under first app. It asks yes or no. Which one you are given? It asks yes or no. Suppose give y now. So migrations rename field date on first app to date. That means what are the things? Simply change the fields. The last step. Python manage.py space migrate. Then the complete project, that is a table is updated. Table is updated. Now, if you want to insert the data or if you want to check the details, go to Python shell. How? Python manage.py shell. Okay, moving to the shell. First, import the model from first app dot models import. What is your table name or model name? First app import. Okay, now if you want to get, see this one. So I am importing my model. I am importing my model. Then what is your step? If you want to insert the data or else, first check first check first app dot objects dot all of. So a query set is already created. Yes or no? If you want, you can check the values also. That means see this one ID1, ID2, ID3. That means three records are already created. Three records are already created with what is the phone number? None. What is the date value? None. You got the point? The table is updated with the two values. Now, if you want to change in the first table, like x is equal to simply the same one. Whatever you are doing in the delete operation, perform first app dot objects dot all of, write the index. Now x hold record 0. X hold record 0. X dot phone is equal to, I am given some phone number. Now x dot date is equal to, suppose I given some date. What is the date? For example, I given the date, today date some 2023 02 01, whatever it is. Now 02 a leading yes, this is not possible, leading zeros. Why? Because this is must be in the string format. X dot date, sorry, x dot date is equal to 2023 02 01. Now date is created. Actually phone number is integer field, date is date field. Now execute this statement. Check is it is updated or not. No. Why? Compulsory you need to save. You remember that one? You need to save, then only that record is updated. Check this one. The first phone number and date are added. Now you got it. This is the way to update the table. And then we are inserting the records. If you want the second, simply what is the procedure? Here, index 1. Perform the operations. Okay, you got it? Now the model is also updated. Okay, thank you very much.